Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV today. Today I want to talk about a new program that we're doing at Pete's RV, and we're super excited about it in the service and retail parts department. Is we are going to start a campaign that is Pete's RV Campfire Specials. So every month we're going to have a new product that we're going to be highlighting in our store, something to make your life a little bit easier when you're at the campsite. And so a lot of the products will be tied to my Back to Basics kits to make sure that you've got everything that you need to utilize that camper the way that you want to use it, and make sure it's just easy and fun for you. And so that's why the first product for Pete's RV's Campground Specials or Campfire Specials is the Drain Lock Pro. So this guy here from Camco is just a super cool device, and what this is campgrounds are requiring you to use some sort of bayonet as you put your sewer hose into the ground. So when you pull the valves, it can't pop out, or help with odors and things like that, right? So a lot of them will turn into the ground or turn into that 4-inch pipe. You'll thread it in. If the threads are okay and someone didn't mess the threads up prior to you being there, then you put it in, and then you gotta bend down on the ground and you gotta lock in your sewer hose, and then you put your little towers to get it back to your camper so it drains out appropriately. This guy here is going to alleviate a lot of that. So what this guy is gonna do is you can actually put it on the sewer hose while you've got the sewer hose in your hand, grab the handle, drop it down in the hole, and then just lock it. And you are done. Walk away. Your sewer hose is affixed to the ground. Odors will be sealed. Life is grand, and you have made your life a lot easier, and you look a lot cooler at the campground. So anyway, just want to introduce this new product. Incredible product, super easy to use, clear window so you can see when the sewer flush is done and you can get rid of that hose. Come check it out, Pete's RV TV. Look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy camping.